Hello there. So today we're going to unbox the Feel Great product from Unicity. I've just ordered it. This is my first order and I intend to get started. I don't need to lose weight, as you can pretty much see, but historically my cholesterol has been pretty high and triglycerides too. And some people just have that constitution where you think that that's how it is. You're always at 280 or whatever it is. But here we have this promise that is going to bring down everything. So let's see how that goes for me. So here's what you get. Aha! Well packed. No wastage. Bam. That's it. And we have a little receipt in there. This is a super chlorophyll. So I ordered super chlorophyll because it's got great benefits, which is all about another product line. But this is Feel Great. It's always good to check out a few other products. You've got matcha, you've got tea, stuff like that. Matcha is a tea. And it's always good to know what more we've got to stay healthy. But this is the one that comes with a guarantee. Guaranteed to change your parameters, make you feel great in 90 days or your full money back. 3 months of money back. No product to be returned because obviously you've consumed it and you realize that you haven't got what you wanted. So that's phenomenal guarantee. Now this comes with 2 boxes of Slim, and these are sachets. Each one of them is 30 sachets. So that's going to mean that mornings and evenings we have before the meal something that's going to make our carbohydrates absorb better, move slower. The cholesterol will absorb better and the digestion would be aided as a consequence. And of course, it's got all 9 minerals and vitamins. So if you haven't been taking a vitamin mineral supplement, you don't need to. Use it. And Unimate. So Unimate, there are 3 boxes and presumably these are 10 each because 30 once a day. Yeah, what? Oh, how sweet! They have a shaker. I never expected this one. Cool. So it's got everything you need with a message that says, "Hi there, it's time for a fresh start. It's time to feel great." I agree with you. Absolutely. So, what does Unimate do? Unimate is something that is going to make you feel less needy for food, while giving you the energy and the mental clarity first thing in the morning. Now, what does first thing in the morning mean? First thing in the morning means about 8 o'clock. Why does it mean 8 o'clock? Well, that's what it says, so I just go by what it says. I didn't make the rules, I just follow them because I want the result. But this is, these 2 products and a time-tested pattern of consumption. It's a system, it's a product system, a way that these things work. But what I'll tell you is, this sachet, if I have it at 8 o'clock, 7 to 9 in the morning, that is the golden hour for the stomach to start getting stuff. Now, this is not something I'm saying. This is not something science has said. Of course, science has measured a lot of this. But this is something that we've known in traditional Chinese medicine through the 5-element theory since thousands of years, 4,000-5,000 years. And this stuff, the eating time is corroborate with that. So, they say that this is like 8 o'clock. The first dose of this is 12 o'clock. And so that's about 4 or 5 hours, 12, 1. And then the last would be before dinner, which is recommended at 6. So let's understand this. All these 3, you can see the chart of this on the screen, the traditional Chinese medicine chart. These are the 3 time slots when the body is going to absorb the best. It's amazing. This is Slim. So you got 60 of these twice a day. Amazing that the Uniscience research which is absolutely contemporary, and the ancient wisdom, which I am a specialist in, so I can speak for that, corroborate the same timings. Now, I haven't been having dinner for the last, 13 years. I skip dinner, I don't have dinner. It makes me feel very light in the morning. So, even 13 years back, nobody was even talking about intermittent fasting, but that's how I've been because of my Buddhist practices. But now I find that I will have something at 6 o'clock because this works on a system. And I will prepone my lunch to 12:01 because I need that system to work for me. And that's what I'd urge you to do. So whatever might be your current schedules, don't use them as excuses. Use them as pivots, use them as stepping stones to get what you want. And let me tell you this before I close. You will get a 90-day money back guarantee if you don't feel great by the time you're through with this. I have the confidence because I've done my research. You don't need to do any research. You just need to enjoy the ride, go for the ride, and take your money back if you're not feeling great. Thanks and get on it.